With the passing of Ratan Tata, the torch is now being passed to the next generation who are poised to carry forward the legacy of innovation and leadership that has defined the Tata Group for over a century. The next generation of Tata Heirs is quietly emerging as future leaders of the conglomerate, following in the footsteps of the iconic Ratan Tata. As the beloved industrialist passed away at the age of 86 in Mumbai late Wednesday night, attention has shifted to the rising stars within the Tata family, particularly Leah, Maya and Neville Tata, children of Noel Naval Tata, Ratan Tata's half-brother. Leah Tata, the eldest, holds a master's degree in marketing from IE Business School in Madrid, Spain, and began her journey with Tata Group in 2006 as an assistant sales manager at Taj Hotels Resorts and Palaces. She currently serves as vice president at the Indian Hotels Company Limited, advancing through various roles within the group. Maya Tata, the younger daughter, started her career at Tata Capital as an analyst in the group's flagship financial services arm, while their brother Neville Tata began his professional journey at Trent, the retail chain that their father helped establish. Ratan Tata, who led the Tata Group from 1991 to 2012, played a crucial role in transforming the conglomerate into a global powerhouse. Under his leadership, key ventures such as Tata Teleservices were launched in 1996 and Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) went public in 2004, further solidifying the group's global presence. Though Ratan Tata stepped down as chairman in 2012, he retained the honorary title of Chairman Emeritus of Tata Sons, Tata Industries, Tata Motors, Tata Steel and Tata Chemicals. He also continued to oversee the Tata Trusts, which have been instrumental in Indian philanthropy. His contributions to industry and society earned him prestigious honors, including the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2008.